You want instant glowing and refreshing skin using just kitchen ingredients. This my banana, egg yolk, coffee and honey face mask will bright, tight and hydrate your skin in just 20 minutes. So guys, in this face mask we need or I need one wrap banana. Okay, banana is hydrating, smoothing skin. So I'm putting, when you have a banana and it's just well, like they don't say it has spoiled and throw away, there's a benefit for it. You can use as a hair mask, you can use it for face mask too. So after put the banana inside, the next ingredient that I'm adding is my egg yolk. Okay, so after adding the egg yolk, the next thing I will start to blend it with my hand blender. You can use hand blender to do it, you can use mortar to do it. If you don't have blender, you can use the mortar to mortar it. So let's check and see. Egg yolk also is also nourishing and tightening the skin, okay, and hydrating your skin, glowing your skin when you are adding it into your face mask or using it as a hair mask also. Please guys, I have a video about that one also. I don't know that video and this one, which one will come first. So if you watch this video and you are interested, please come back and watch the same and with a different ingredients that I used to make a hair mask and apply to my daughter and I myself. So after blending it, the next ingredient that I added is my next coffee. The next coffee, you can add any next coffee by your choice. This is my golden next coffee that I added. So far as that thing is contain coffee, then you are good to go to use it. Okay, so now I'm blending it. So let's check and so guys, after finish blending it, the next thing you have to strain it, because no matter how you get it smooth, you have to strain it because they may have some particles inside which you may not like to use it for your face or for your hair, because this hair mask is going to be my face and my hair. So you can come back and watch the next video also for the hair, how I'm prepared to use it for the hair treatment also. So coffee is reducing puffiness. Okay, so if you are using it into your, whether you are adding it to your skincare things, your skincare routine or your hair care routine, is something that is going to help you. So don't put any joke on coffee. Coffee is having a lot of benefit for us. So after that also, when I'm straining it this way, you can see the under actually it's not look like there is something inside, but still I've that's the best way that you need to do it, because you never know, you may say maybe there is no any particles inside, but after you may feel like there is something inside. So when you just make it very nice like this, is better, you don't have any problem for it. So now we finished training it. The next thing that I'm going to do is to add my honey, because this face mask is contain a honey to make it look more good and get you perfect for you to get away from your dark spot. It's good for you to add the honey also, because honey is going to keep the moisture into your skin, lock the moisture and smooth your face. So before you apply this face mask, always make sure to wash your face. As you guys can see, I was bringing my tissue cleaning my face because my face was still wet with the water. So while you are applying it into your skin, always be gentle to your face. Please don't do like you are fighting with your skin. Please be gentle and massaging the ingredients into your skin very gentle, okay, the way I'm doing it. So that's the best way that you need to be doing. Don't So my people, if you apply it, always try to sit for 20 to 30 minutes before go and take your shower, okay, and always be gentle. Please, you can come back and watch the next video, because the remaining one I'm going to use it as a hair treatment for I and my daughter. We are going to use it together. You can use it for your children, you can use for yourself also. Okay, thank you very much for your support, and don't forget, try to share it and like it for us. If you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe also and click the notification bell. That's the most important. Anytime when I upload new video, YouTube, they will notify you for you to come and watch the video that we put inside there. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.